So we got this question to integrate. So we have to integrate this part. Okay. Now, so you know that on denominator we should have the minimum amount of things. But if you'll observe the denominator, it is carrying 4 entity. So let's simplify things. Okay. So look at this. It is sine square cos square dx. Now from this thing and this thing I'll be taking sine square common. So sine square taken common, sine power 3 plus cos power 3. From this component I'll be taking cos square common. So cos square common, again sine cube cos cube. Okay. Now you are end up having two things on the denominator. Let's do a little bit of more simplification. We will take sine cube. Okay, we have the bigger bracket as well, square. Okay, so sine cube plus cos cube we will be taking common, and we will be left with sine square plus cos square with bracket having square, sine square cos square dx. You know that sine square plus cos square equals 1, so this thing will become 1. Okay, now the point is, you know that while dealing with trigonometry we used to rely on majorly tan theta. Okay, so what you have to do, look, try to take cos cube x common. So if you will take cos cube common, you will be having tan cube plus 1 and with whole bracket power 2 dx. Okay, now take that thing common, means outside. So we will be having sine square cos square, and this 2 will be, power will be distributed, so it is cos power 6 and then tan power 3 plus 1 power 2 dx. Now be super slow. This is cos square, this is power 6, so it will become 4. Now can I club these two things as, say, sine square by cos square will become tan square x, and then we will be having cos square on the denominator, which will become sec square x, and the denominator is what? Tan cube plus 1 whole square dx. Okay, now for time being, can I take the whole denominator as z? Means I will be taking z as tan cube x plus 1. So let's differentiate dz by dx. Now differentiation of tan cube is 3 tan square x. Now differentiation of tan x will become sec square x. Okay, now if you'll observe, you have tan square and sec square. You have tan square and sec square. Okay, so things can be simplified easily. Okay, so the idea is, let's rewrite the question. So it will become 1 by 3 dz by z square. Okay, now to integrate we will send z square to the numerator. We will have this thing. Now let's do the integration. So it will become z power minus 1 by minus 1 plus integration constant c. So minus of 1 by 3, who is z? Z is tan cube x plus 1 plus integration constant c. So the integration of the given question is this, minus of 1 by 3 tan cube x plus 1 with integrating constant c. I hope the idea is clear, and whenever you have complicated things on the denominator, you can think about its simplifications.